Hi, it's Dr. Laura here with this week's discussion on attention, energy, focus, all of that. A lot of people think that they're really low on energy, when in fact what they are is low on coherence, and there's a big difference there, okay? So when our attention is scattered and focusing on multiple directions all at once, our system has to keep scanning and reorienting and compensating and bracing. And that takes energy, a lot of energy. So sometimes what feels like exhaustion, it isn't a lack of sleep or a lack of time or a lack of motivation. It's actually about energy consumption. You're burning it too much because you're very scattered. So balanced attention restores your energy. Focused attention actually restores your energy. It reduces that internal conflict. When the body and mind, emotions, and your energy are all pulling in different directions, you're leaking life force. That's literally what you're doing. You're leaking life force. So stop spending so much of your energy recovering from this constant task switching. From a nervous system perspective, what's going on here is your divided attention keeps the body subtly vigilant. It's in a state of vigilance. And there's nothing dramatic happening, right? You're just task switching continuously, and your body is therefore very vigilant. And so everything seems to be super busy and urgent, even when it's not. So it's checking, it's monitoring, it's scanning, it's reacting. From a spiritual perspective, the scattered attention can make you feel like you are no longer living from your center. Your energy gets distributed everywhere except the place where your own wisdom can actually speak, from your center. So coherence is what happens when your inner world begins to come into agreement. Not perfection, not rigidity, agreement. Your thoughts are not racing in one direction while your emotions are pulled in another. Your body is not asking for rest while your mind is demanding more input or more output. Your spirit is not whispering simplicity while your habits keep chasing noise. And when that agreement begins, energy starts to return. So let's do two things that are going to help this. All right, first thing. I'd call this 1 point return. Pick one thing and give it your attention for 60 seconds. Not because 60 seconds is magical. It's just a thing. It interrupts the habit of switching all the time, of splitting yourself. So 60 seconds on one thing and one thing only. It could be your breath. It could be the email you're focused on. It could be washing the dishes. One thing, 60 seconds. Stay focused. And then try that for another 60 seconds, and then another. Let your system remember what it feels like to be in one place at one time. All right, our second task. Ask yourself this question. Where is my energy leaking right now? No, seriously, where is my energy leaking right now? Not in a judgmental way, just really from honesty, right? Is it leaking into unfinished decisions? Is it emotional residue from conversation? Is it over monitoring what everyone else needs? Is it too many tabs open in your head or in your computer? Awareness reduces the leakage, okay? So once you can name it, when you can notice it, you can begin to settle. This is the integration piece that matters. Balanced attention is not about becoming hyper controlling or unnaturally still. It's about becoming more available to yourself right here, right now. More internally organized, less divided, more able to direct your life force instead of constantly being pulled everywhere and reacting. And that's where the renewal of the energy comes from. Focusing, pulling it back in. Not from whipping yourself into some frenzy and trying harder. That doesn't actually work. Okay, it's reducing the drags on the system. From here, squirrel. So if you've been feeling tired, flat, or strangely drained, you can now see that it might not have anything to do with sleep or laziness, although it might have to do with pollen right now if you're in Charleston. Just saying. Instead, consider the possibility that you may not be needing to put yourself under more pressure. You may be needing more alignment, more focus, more staying here now doing a single thing. So bring your attention back gently. Let your body come with you. Let your energy stop scattering. And notice what happens when you do. Just saying. Now, if you like the video, please do like. If you haven't subscribed, please do. And please share this with everyone, because this is the standard for life instead of focused. All right? Just saying. Thank you and namaste.